If you need somebody to throw their weight around, travel with an Argentinian woman. She'll handle some shit, I tell ya. Hello. So it is Friday. It's our last day off of the week. And we are headed to Galle.
It's a half an hour, 40 minutes, give or take, by train or by car. It's on the sea. Was formerly a Dutch fort. Pretty picturesque. So we're actually excited to see what they have there. And then after we go to Galle, after we go to Galle, we're gonna come back and guest house owners are gonna make us dinner. Some traditional Sri Lankan food, which we're really excited about because we love the food here.
We made it to the train station. So we're gonna go get our tickets from the counter and get on the train. We're gonna see how this goes.
Not quite sure.
Not quite sure what to expect.
Sana said that maybe you go here and you pay your tickets and then you hop on, and we don't really know. So we're just gonna go buy our tickets and find out. So tickets purchased from here at the ticket counter, and it's 80 for second class, 40 for third class. There's actually no first class on this line here on the southern coast. He has like an old timey like stamper to stamp your tickets to let you know where it goes. It's kind of neat. A lot of rickety like that. It's not bad for 80 rupees. It's pretty darn good. One problem is right now we're faced backwards, which is kind of weird.
Truth time, it's pretty cool. I was nervous about it, but it's pretty cool. It's so fun, look. This one is so excited.
I love trains. How much for 40? 40? You have banana? Banana and strawberry.
Strawberry.
I don't know it's good, but it's kind of fun. I got banana and strawberry gum. I don't know how good it is. It was 40 rupees each. It's kind of, it might be more money than the United States. 40 rupees is how much? Usually it's like a quarter in the back in the US.
Yeah, it's not very much.
Oh, it smells good. Not much banana flavor. Banana's flavor is there. It doesn't kind of like a pound of a light flavor. Still, it's like Laffy Taffy.
Strawberry.
Flavor goes away pretty quick.
Yeah. tastes like chapstick, which is what I was expecting, so not bad.
Or the cool machine. It's awesome.
Now he's waving at me again.
So in case you guys didn't notice, the colonial British influence here. The British actually built the railway system here in Sri Lanka turn of the century. So as you come behind me, there's a really cool sign, probably 100 years old, I'm guessing at least. So kind of neat.
Okay, so apparently all of the tuk-tuks are 200 rupees no matter where you go. We were told, I don't know. So we're about to find out. But all the places to eat and things to do are over by Galle Fort. So that's where we're headed now. Let's check it out.
The side seat, madam.
Yeah, right.
Sri Lankan price, madam, 1,000.
In Tuesday, you change the price.
Sometimes people, that's why they go in businessman.
You don't
Not in the
believe.
business.
If you do that, the tourists don't come back.
Yes, that's why
Yeah.
not madam tourist price.
Because
It's the Sri
when
Lankan price.
I stay in Argentina, I say, oh, don't come back to Sri Lanka because the people like.
All right, had a little misunderstanding with the tuk-tuk guy.
Word of advice. If you need somebody to throw their weight around, travel with an Argentinian woman. She'll handle some shit, I tell you.
He was mad. Well, he told us, I didn't hear it. I was looking at the map where to eat. But he told her 200 all day. So like 200 rupees, which is not a lot of money. But 200 rupees anywhere in the city. Get a tuk-tuk, get all excited. He's like, okay. He shows us the whole tour of like 1,500 rupees to do something. And then he's like, we're like, no, you told us 200 to go anywhere. Yeah. She pulled him off. This is true. Like if you scam tourists, they're not going to want to come back. They're not going to tell people what kind of experience they had.
I think we found lunch. Indian. We haven't had Indian since we were in Malaysia, or I haven't. So Indian hut for lunch right here. Our view for lunch. We got our appetizer, chicken 65. It's a little different than the States, but amazing.
The crab is okay.
Oh, thank you.
Kind of being unoriginal today as far as Indian food goes. We got chicken tikka masala. No,
No, we got butter chicken.
butter chicken masala, and I got chicken tikka masala. But the thing we've not had yet, look at that. It's garlic rice. That fried garlic.
It smells so good. I'm currently in a lot of trouble with this one, and definitely with this one. They don't like cats. I don't like cats. Don't hate us. I just don't like to own cats. I like cats from afar. But look,
Cool. Some cats.
you see that? The black one has been sitting here looking at me for 5 minutes. I had a little bit of chicken left on my bone, and I gave it to him. I licked the spicy stuff off, and I gave him the chicken. And now they're getting on to me about it.
Yeah.
I'm in.
Now
Oh, see, look.
2 cats now.
I don't know why this happens to me, all over Asia, it's usually dogs. This is the first time with cats. It may just be because dogs can't get up here, but dogs will follow me. They will come and they'll sit by me while we're eating. Like, it's because I don't have a hollow black heart like this one right here. Lunch was amazing. Ponchi has a food baby. I'm so proud of her though, because before hanging out with us, she did not eat spicy food. She's been training and she's doing really good. Ooh, I love it. Yeah. So proud of her. I feel like my baby's growing up.
Kind of bummed right now. We were debating bringing my drone, and I wanted to, and we thought, well, last time we were out somewhere, they had guards, and they probably weren't going to let us.
Remember?
No, I'm talking about here in Sri Lanka.
Oh, that's also true.
Yeah, so we didn't bring it, but now I wish I would have, because it's pretty picturesque. You can do it.
I don't know if I want.
Look at me.
You're good, just go across.
I'm bigger than both of you.
It's alright, I'm recording if you fall. It's not 6 inches wide.
Oh, it's horrible.
Oh, it's just the feeling of just impending death. It's like I'm gonna fall and these men are gonna take pictures of it. Look here, you guys. It's coral, but it's on the side of this like wall. Crazy.
One thing you guys gotta know is everywhere there are crows. Crows everywhere. Had my mind blown by Ponchi. Yeah. And so the term in Spanish for crow is cuervo. Obviously you guys know cuervo from Jose Cuervo. So I didn't realize that tequila is literally translated to Joe Crow tequila. Forever now it's gonna be known as Joe Crow tequila in my book. So we had a little rain, kind of cut our party short here at the Galle in the golf fort, Old Town area. Really cool, really like Golf Fort. It has a nice, it's a little bit of old San Juan in Puerto Rico.
Mixed with Hoi An, Vietnam.
Yeah, the streets are really narrow, it's really kind of nice, but it's awfully expensive. So
like very.
Yeah, people know to take advantage of it here, more so than other places we've been here in Sri Lanka. But it's gonna look like going into it. Beautiful place, nice places to eat. Beautiful view. The White House was awesome.
Did you like Galle?
Yeah, beautiful.
Let's go turn around and go.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, come. Okay.
Can I grab this? Well, that was unexpected.
One more car.
Well, this is something.
Oh, the hell.
Yeah, be careful. Please don't fall and crack your head open. All right. So,
Come here, Ponchi, you're part of this.
couple of tips you guys probably know about.
Yeah.
Is some of these trains are longer than the station. We thought that we paid for second class, and we told them what time we wanted to go, and they just gave us the ticket. and we paid second class, even though it was no
Second
second class.
class.
It's all third class, which was okay. I love standing up on the train, looking outside. You have the doors open.
Met some nice people, gained a new subscriber. Hi.
Yeah. But yeah, so it was in the rain, and we had to like come down like a cattle car, like the steps. There was no like thing, so we had
Yeah, in the rain.
in the rain, walk all the way in the grass in the mud
And then
to the
there's
station.
an incline to get up on the station platform, but the train starts to move. I'm halfway up the platform, like, please don't kill me.
Oh, it's fun. So now dinner time.
Yeah, I need new clothes.
Well, close to dinner.